You hear that? That's the sound of peace. That's the sound of a steady, constant flow. And that's why you should continue to move on in life. See how fresh that water is? That's why you've got to replenish yourself, but you also got to keep moving. Because if you don't keep moving, you're going to be stagnant. And nobody thinks that stagnant water is beautiful. You need your water to move, you need your water to ripple, and just know you have greatness coming towards you. Stay at peace, and always, always go for the things that you want. Stay away from miserable people, and make sure, if you're a solo person, make sure that the person that you are is not miserable. That's one thing we need to keep in mind.